Hey guys, good morning everybody. So, so before starting our session, we'll wait for a couple of minutes. Then we'll start the session. So could you please type in the live chat if you can hear me? So that would be appreciated. So can you hear me, guys? Is my voice is audible? So could you please type in the live chat saying yes, yes, yes? Okay. Yeah, that's appreciated. That's appreciated. Great. So the only request from my end is we'll wait a couple of minutes because just now we'll wait for 5 to 6 minutes, then we will start the session. Okay, maybe people will join us, they'll have some difficulties to join. Okay, so yeah, so could you please type in the live chat? You guys are from different, there are different colleges, right? Could you please type your college name in the live chat? So you guys are from which colleges? Yeah, so if you could, if you write it, that would be great. Okay. Okay, Keshav Memorial. Okay. KMIT. Great. Mm-hmm. Only. Okay. Gokaraju. Okay. CBIT. Mm-hmm. Great. Okay. KMIT, GL, double EC, CBIT. The other people? It's okay to write your college name. Okay. NGIT. Mm-hmm. BVRIT. Okay. CBIT. All right. Great. MVSR. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, guys, the today's agenda is, I just want you to, take you through the exam pattern and, how the questions and what is the difficulty level, how we are going to attempt the Goldman Sachs exam. Okay. We are going to see all these, we are going to see all these things in the next couple of minutes. Okay. So yeah, so that's how we are going to continue this. So I just confirm with my team, so whether I can start the session or not. Yeah. So any questions before starting of the session, like any questions if you have, you can ask in the live chat. That would be great. Yeah. Any questions, if you have, that would be appreciated. So we'll wait for, next couple of minutes, then we can start the session, guys. So in today's agenda is this, I'll talk about the introduction syllabus, where you have to focus and, which question, the timeline and the summary. So that's how our process would be there. Okay. So that was the agenda. So today's agenda is that. Okay. So myself, I'm Surya. So I've been training from past couple of years in so many different colleges. Okay. In Hyderabad and, different parts of AP and Telangana. So I've trained more than, 20 to 30,000 people. Okay. Yeah. So that was my background. I've been training from, last 6, 7 years. I'm in this particular, I specialized in this, the campus recruitment, CAT, MAT, all competitive exams. Okay. So, yeah. So any questions, before starting of the sessions, we can go ahead and we can see a couple of things. So any questions from your end, guys? Ask your friends if they are anyone interested, already registered candidates might got the mails. Okay. So, yeah. So I can see there are 30 students, 30 were there. Okay. So we can expect maybe if it is reach 50, we can start. Anyway, I'll start in next 4 minutes time. Okay, next 4 minutes time. So I don't want to keep you wasted. So guys, let's start. Let's start the session with a okay. Meanwhile, your friends will join. So after they join, now we'll go to the questions and I'll explain the pattern. So meanwhile, why don't you solve this question? It's an easy question. So I want to start with easy. Okay. So take your time and try to solve this question. Let's see who is going to give the correct answer. I don't think so. This is a difficult question. You guys will do like this. Okay. You no need to any prerequisites to know this. You can use your common sense and you can get your answers. Let's see who will give the answer. Yeah. So let's see. So let's put a timer. Let's give 2 minutes. Guys, the only concern from my end is like, please try to uh, we have only 2 hours of time, I want to give, the fullest possible. Okay. So my advice to everybody, if you have any questions, you can ask me at the end. I mean, any different questions, if you have, you can ask me at the end of the session. So meanwhile, if you have any questions between regarding the question, you can ask me. Apart from anything, you can ask me at the end of the session. Okay. Right. So I'll ask, whenever, I need a response, right? Because this is an online session. This is not a class. Okay. So don't be lazy, try to keep a pen, paper with you, in a book and paper with you. Be sincere for the next 2 hours. Okay. So that, we can, do the things. Right. So, no, that's not the correct answer. Okay. Uh, Rushmita, no, that's not the correct answer. Right. That's not the correct answer. Mm, RS, no, that's not the correct answer. Meghna, no, that's not the correct answer. That's not the correct answer. Okay. Gauri, no. Samhita, okay. Kumar, no. That's not the correct answer. Hey man, that's an easy question. Nobody's getting it. Vardhan, no. That's not the correct answer, Vardhan. I'm so sorry. Okay. Hey guys, ask your friends to join. We'll start. If it's reach 50, I'll start. I mean, if not reading 50 also, I'll start. Yeah. So 30. Mm-hmm. No. Okay. Right. Okay. Yeah. Now people, okay. Few people has given the correct answer. Jashwant gave the correct answer. Rushmita gave the correct answer. Varun Kumar gave the correct answer. Now Annapurna gave the correct answer. Okay. Now people are getting it. Okay. Initially, everybody has given the wrong answer. Okay. So guys, now let's understand my method of teaching. Okay. Let's understand my method of teaching. So guys, tell me, yeah, guys, tell me, A can finish the work in how many days? So A can complete the work in 12 days. All right. B will complete the same work in how many days? 20 days. Okay. So A can finish the work in 12 days. B can finish the same work in 20 days. So could you please tell me what is 1 day work of A? You know, these are small things. You might know this. Uh, what is 1 day work of A? Generally, oh, he can complete a full work in 12 days. 1 day work will be 1 by 12. He'll complete 1 by 12th of the part. So B will complete what part of the what? What part of the work? He'll complete 1 by 20th part of the work, right? So, but our question is like, what happened? Oh, initially A and B started, right? So initially A and B started and they worked for how many days? They worked for 6 days. 1 day work is 1 by 12. Then 6 days work is what, guys? 6 by 12. Plus B also worked for how many days? B also worked for 6 days. But who left the job, guys? Who left the job? Everybody in the live chat. Who left the job? Come on, guys. Who left the job? Please be active. A left the job, meaning A worked for 6 days only. So B has to work for some extra days. We don't know. We are here to figure it out that. So that is going to be 6 plus some extra days only. We don't know what is that value. Let's take X. Okay. Divided by what? Divided by what? Everybody in the live chat. Divided by 20. So if you calculate this, you will get your answer. That's it. That's your, basic way of solving the question. So, denominator is 12 and 20. So 12 and 20 LCM is what? 12 and 20 LCM is what? 12 and 20 LCM is what? 60. 12 how many times 60? 12 how many times 60? 5 times. 5 6 are? Come on, you have to write. 5 6 are 30 plus 6 plus X into 20. How many times 60? 3 times. So if you open the bracket and if you multiply it, what are the values you will get? What are the values you will get, ma? 18 plus 18 plus what? That's it. 18 plus 3x. 18 plus 3x. That should be divided with 60. So could you please tell me what is X value from that? Because the total work is always equals to 1. We have to equate that equals to 1. Then X value is what, guys? Then the X value is what? 4 is the X value. Okay, the X value is what? X is nothing but 4. Okay, the value of X is what, guys, here? 4 is the X. Okay, so now this is anybody can do it, this is understood by every, because the aptitude is a subject where how logically you're thinking, how quickly you're solving the questions. Okay, this is one way of, addressing the question. Now focus on the other way. Now no one should not use any pen paper. Just please good with your typing there. Please quickly type. Right. Please type everything what I'm asking so that you will understand. Okay, the science behind what I'm telling. A can complete the work in how many days? Please type in the live chat. A can complete the work in how many days? Great. B will complete the same work in how many days? 20. Who started the work? Who started the work? Both. Both. They worked for how many days? Together. They worked together for how many days? 6 days. After 6 days, who left? A. So, A can complete a work in 12 days. He left after 6 days means in 6 days time, what part of the work he will complete? There you go. What part of the work he will complete? Half, 50%. Remaining half should be completed by whom? Remaining half should be completed by whom? B. Now ask your common sense. B will complete the work in 20 days. B will complete the work in 20 days. Half work will be completed in 10 days. But already he worked with A for how many days? The remaining days are how many? 4 days. There you go. Don't add 10 plus 4. 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is nothing but what? 4 days is the answer. That's it. Guys, so my advice is this. See, the any question anybody can answer. But how quickly, how logically you're answering is the point. Meaning, if you are logical, you will get it answer easily, okay, quickly, because all these competitive exams are based out of how quickly you're solving the question. If I give, you know, uh, the time, anybody can solve that. If I give the time, anybody can solve. But what you need to do is, if you want to, if you want to get placed in any MNC, aptitude is compulsory. Okay. If you want to get into any good MNC, aptitude is compulsory. Guys, just think of this Goldman Sachs exam. I understand your coding, you should have a good coding skills. Okay. But my question is this to everybody. If you had a good coding skills, but if you are not good with aptitude, you will not, you are not going to clear the first round. No. If you're not going to clear the first round, how the company will know you are a good, you have a good skills in coding. My advice to everybody who are in the session, please have a good aptitude skills that will help you in so many ways. Okay, getting into so many companies, getting into, so many government sector and everything. I don't want to talk that, now, because this particular session is only, the Goldman Sachs and all. Okay, so how logically you're thinking, how logically you're answering, that is the main agenda. Okay, so if you are clear with this particular question, type yes in the live chat. I'll go to the exam pattern, you know I'll go to the exam pattern, and I'll try to finish the things out. Okay, so we can good to start. Yeah, we reached 49. If one would start, that would be great. Yes. Right. So guys, now let's go to the exam pattern. Guys, this is the exam pattern. Okay, round 2 we'll discuss later, but let's talk about the Goldman Sachs round 1. The total number of questions are going to be here. The total number of questions are going to be here 66 questions. Okay, the total number of questions are going to be here 66 questions. Guys, in these 66 questions, there are 6 areas you have to be focused. Okay, now next segment is the time. The time is only 90 minutes. So you are not getting even a minute. More than a minute you will get. It's not been 2 minutes. Okay. Now, for every correct answer, you will get 5 marks. For every wrong answer, whatever the marks you got, you will be get subtracted. Now I have a question. I want to check your skills. So you are writing this exam, you attempted all the questions. You attempted all the questions. Okay. And I want your score should be 0. And I want your score should be 0. And I want your score should be 0. If you want your score should be 0, how many correct answers you have to answer and how many wrong answers you have to answer? Okay. How many correct answers you have to answer? How many wrong answers you have to answer? Okay. 33 correct, 33 wrong. They are not equal number. Zihana Sheikh. Okay. Mm-hmm. Varun is telling, okay. If 33 correct, 33 into 5, no, because every correct answer, 5 marks will be awarded. So you'll get some score there. Okay. Actually, that's not possible. Okay. If you try so many possibilities, permutations, combinations, you will, at the end of the day, you will understand that's not possible. Okay. So now let's go to the details of, yeah. Yeah. Now let's go to the details of, the areas. Guys, numerical competition. Guys, this is very, 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 very high level questions will be there. Questions from trigonometry, questions from, logs, questions from certs. Okay, all pure maths questions will come. And with that, there are questions from arithmetic, meaning time and work, time, speed, and distance, allegations and mixtures. Okay, and questions from permutations, combinations, probability, number system, we never know which 8 he will choose. So you have to be good with all all the questions. Okay, so guys, please make sure that you should good with this numerical competition, because a lot of people ignore this. And if you score there, because the other section you will score like anything, all these questions you will score like anything, you trust me. You will see the different questions today. Okay, so this is like your old mathematics. Okay, this is not your any logical thing yes, you should have logic to do the questions, that's a different story. So guys, my advice is this: out of this 8, if you score, if you solve at least 4, you will be get selected. Okay, if the questions were tough, otherwise everybody will do it. Guys, this exam will be for every person. Any engineering graduate can apply, so obviously every student will apply. So the competition is going to be definitely high competition will be there. So if you want to stand out of the crowd, you should have a good skills, otherwise no one will take you. Okay, so this is area you have to focus. Next, numerical reasoning. So it's all about number series based questions will be there. They'll give a number series and they'll ask you to what will come in the next number. Okay, you will see today, you will see the questions. Okay, after that, logical reasoning. Logical reasoning means topics from coding, decoding, blood relations. Okay, seating arrangement, direction sense. Okay, all clocks, calendars, ranking and time sequence. Okay, so all reasoning stuff is going to come. Okay, so this is logical reasoning part. Next, these two are abstract reasoning and diagrammatic reasoning. These two are your picture based questions. 4 pictures will be given. They'll ask you to what is the odd man out. 3 pictures will be given. What is the next picture? They'll give analogy in the pictures. So there is some relation between first picture to second picture. You have to identify second picture to third picture. What is the relation? Okay, what is the relation? So that's how these 2 sections will be there. And the last section is the verbal section. Comprehension will be there. They'll give an RC. You have to read that RC and you have to reading comprehension. They'll give an RC. You have to read that RC and you have to come up with your solutions. Okay, so this is your exam pattern. This is your exam pattern. So am I clear with this, everybody? Any questions here? For every correct answer, you will be awarded 5 marks. For every wrong answer, they'll subtract 2 marks from that. So yeah. So any questions from your end, so that we can jump into the next segment, guys. So if you're done with this, say yes in the live chat. We'll go to the next thing. So if you want, you can take a screenshot. That would be appreciated. Guys, I'm just asking, I'm just asking to type in the live chat, because make sure that you finish the things, so that we can go forward. That's it. That's the only agenda. Otherwise, I can go like without asking you also. Okay, now, so guys, this is the once you clear your first round, this is going to be a second section. You will have 2 coding questions, MCQs. Okay, again you will have aptitude questions of 8. Okay, so then this we can talk more once you got selected. Again, we are going to have uh, uh, if you got selected, we might have sessions. I don't know how the things is going to be. So that is the thing. So once you got this, there is a different story. Okay, so this is the second section of the thing. So now, without wasting any time, let's discuss couple of previous year Goldman Sachs questions. Okay, so already we discussed this question. Those who are missed this, you might get a link or something like that. I don't know. Yeah, this is the first question. If you miss this, you can take a screenshot. And my second question. So every question, once you see every question, I'll give some time to solve. Okay. After that, we'll see. Okay. So your time already started. Let's see who will give the answer. Guys, yeah, your time is up. Your time is up. Where you go wrong is this. You start like this. You will assume there are X chocolates. That's where you go wrong. Yeah. Now people are giving the answers. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Vardhan, Varun, you guys are right. Good job, guys. Uh, so people assume like this. Let's assume, that initial number of sweets are X. So the total number of sweets, you will write it as X. Okay. So once you write the total number of sweets are X. Okay. So then you will write the condition. What is the condition? What happened? Uh, he distributed one sweet less than half the number of sweets in the box in the first period. So in the first period, what happened? So first period, it's going to be, so total X chocolates are there. Okay. So in the first period, he distributed how many chocolates? One sweet less than half, half of the total number of chocolates. So that's going to be what? X by 2, X by 2 minus 1. Okay. These are the chocolates he distributed, no? So then the remaining chocolates are what? X minus X by 2 minus 1. Yes or no? X minus X by 2 minus 1. You might started doing like that. Okay, you might started doing like that. That's where you go wrong. I mean, it's not a wrong thing. You will end up with an equation. Finally, finally you'll get one equation. That equation should be equals to what? 36. Yes or no? Okay. Uh, Okay, right. So that's where you go wrong. So every question, no need to be, this is not a procedure, I'll start from the beginning. Yeah, I'll start from the beginning, I'll take X. I am a good boy and a good girl. In school days, they taught this only. Whenever we don't know something, better let's assume X. We don't take other variable also. That's where the problem comes. You can take S also, you will get it, but you don't take S. Okay. Everyone will take X only. Why you are taking X? My teacher told me to, whenever you don't know something, always assume X. Yeah, it's okay. You can take whatever the variable you want. Right. So guys, my advice is this. Try to try to do option verification. That would be great, no? Let's do this. The total number of sweets are 72. That was given in the answer. Now, if the total number of sweets are 72, okay, with the total number of sweets are 72, now tell me, ma, first period, how many he distributed? Quickly. Half of 72. What is half of 72? 36. Minus 1, no? This is what he distributed, right? So he distributed 35. Hang on here. Don't go further. Finally, he has to left with what? Finally, he has to left with how many chocolates? How many sweets? 36. You have to continue in the second period, third period. There is a list. Yes or no? So now the remaining chocolates are how many? From this, what is the remaining sweets? What is the remaining sweets? Out of 70 to 35 distributed. Remaining sweets are how many? Come on, guys. 36. Are you sure? Out of 72, he distributed 35. Remaining sweets are how many? 37. But finally, he has to left with 36. Is this possible with 72? Is this possible with 72? No? Then with one shot, you are saying that that's not your answer. Let's go to the next number. 124. 124 half in the first period. How many he distributed? Half. What is half of 124? You have to be very quick. Half of 124. 62. Minus 1. That is 61. So the remaining chocolates are how many in the after first period? Remaining sweets are whatever. 124 minus 61. 63. Next, what happened? In the second period, how many he distributed, Nana? You can see that. How many he distributed? In the second period, he distributed 2 sweets less than one third of the remaining. So what is one third of this? What is one third of 63? One third of 63 is how much? 21. Minus 2. Minus 2. That is equals to 19 he distributed. Then the remaining are what? What is the remaining sweets now? Out of 63, 19 he distributed. Remaining sweets are how many? 44. Now, in the third period, how many he distributed? In the third period, how many he distributed? One fourth. Is it one fourth? One fourth of the remaining. What is one fourth of 44? One fourth of 44. Okay, that is equals to, tell me what is one fourth of 44? 11 minus 3. So he distributed how many? 8. So now the remaining sweets are how many now? 44 minus 8 is how much? 36. In the question also they are telling the remaining chocolates are what? 36 only, no? So now the learning point is this. Now the learning point is this. The moment you saw the question, don't jump into the things and don't be in a hurry. Okay. Relax. Read the question properly. And first question, you have to ask yourself, oh, whether I have to start with the normal way of solving or whether I have to go with the options. Because at the end of the day, you have to click one button, which option is right. No one is going to ask you which method you have to do. Anyone is going to come and ask you, is this a theory exam? No, right? And everyone will appreciate if you have done the question like this. You only tell me this is the best way, right? So my point to everybody who are in the session is this. Take the question, When you in the next 1 week, 1.5 week time, next 1.5 week time, take the question, you know, try to understand the question first, and you have to ask yourself, oh, whether I have to start from X or whether I have to start from options. That is the area where you have to focus. I can't teach you everything in one particular session. I am here to help you out, your thought process, how we are going to do the questions, how we are going to attempt the question, how quickly you have to understand the question, how quickly you have to think about the question. That's where the game, that is the test taking strategy. Okay, guys, am I clear with this? If you guys are clear, we'll go to the next wonderful question. Done with this? The only thing is this: if once you're done, say yes in the live chat. That would be great. అదొక్కటే మీ the only thing I want from you is that. Great. Okay. So now let's go to a small easy question. Okay. This question, let's see who will answer this. So this is a topic of combination of percentages, profit and loss thing. This is also a previous question. Sometimes you will be lucky, enough to get questions like this. What is the question they are telling? At what percentage above the cost price must an article? Hey, this is an easy one, guys. You will get it. Let's see who is going to give the correct answer and a quick answer. Let's see. Guys, be in the session till the end, so that I'm going to announce something at the last 10 minutes of the session that's going to be very, very important. Okay. It's at the end of the day, that's up to you. Okay. Guys, trust me, after 2 hours of listening to the class, you won't regret, you wasted 2 hours in your life. You'll think that, yeah, we got benefited. So that will be there for sure. That's what my promise. So make sure that try to be till the end, so that you will learn something, right? So how about this answer? What's the answer for the question, guys? Okay. 40. One person got 40. Okay. Sai Verma also got 40. Varun got 40. Sai Verma also got 40. Yeah. So you can see our team already shared, uh, today is the last day to apply for Goldman Sachs. Anyone, if you didn't apply, please apply today. Yeah. Okay. 45. Okay. Vardhan got 45. All right, guys. So it's an easy question. Let's see. Guys, if you're unable to solve these kind of questions, trust me, you have to learn a lot of things. Right. At what percentage above the cost price must an article to be marked? Let's take the cost price is 100. Let's take the cost price is 100. We don't know what is the marked price. Okay. Uh, Finally, he gained what? 33% after giving a discount of 5%. Guys, tell me. Then what should be the selling price? You tell me. I bought an article for 100. I got a 33% profit. So what should be the selling price? 133. Very simple, straightforward. Now, please understand. Always remember, marked price, we have to figure it out. Once you know the marked price, from 100 to CP1 to MP1, what is the difference? That is going to be your profit percentage. Okay. That's going to be your profit percentage. Now, focus. You tell me, discount will be given on where? Discount will be given on cost price? Discount will be given on cost price? No. No, Meghna. Discount will be after. Discount will be calculated on what? Discount is not calculated on selling price. Discount is always calculated on where? Market price. Discount is always calculated on where? Market price. It's not on your Selling price. Selling price is after discount. Selling price is after discount. Okay. So now, with to avoid the confusion, I am taking, 100 A is my cost price. You will understand why I am taking this. So 133 A is my selling price. Now I am assuming you be in this session. I am taking my marked prices. I don't know. I marked it as 100. So now tell me what discount I am giving. I am giving a discount of 5%. So 5% means what? 5 rupees. So now tell me, how if 100 is marked price, you are giving a 5 rupees discount. So what should be the selling price now? According to this data, what should be the selling price? Come on. Array, you marked it 100, you are giving a discount of 5, then selling price would be what? 95. 95. There you go. Oh, this is equals to 95, right? Because that's your selling price. Then 95 is this. Then 100 is what? Then 100 is what? Okay, do the cross multiplication, you will get it. Don't get confused with 200. This is the market price. To get easy values, I took 100. 95% is this, then 100% is what? And you can use, this is not your answer. Okay, and this is way bigger than the, so answer might be 45 or 40. You can guess that. So can anyone please tell me what is, oh, yeah, what is 100? Why I wrote 100 here? Already 100 is here, no? 95 is this, then 100 is what? So you will get a market price, right? Yes. What is the market price, guys? When 95 is 133, then market price is what? You just calculate, you just cross multiply it. I mean, like this. Don't get confused. The way of I am writing here. Hey, the cross multiplication has to be like this. 133A equals to 95. Then what is equals to 100? Or 95 equals to 133A. Then 100 is what? Answer should be more than 133A. Okay. What is that value? Come on, guys. Do cross multiplication. 140? Huh. 140. 140A. 140A. So how much more than the cost price is value? How much more than 100 to 140? What is the difference there? 40. Then your answer for the question is what? 40% is the correct answer. 40% is the correct answer. So answer for the question is what, guys? 40% is the correct answer. Okay. So one more time. Cost price, we don't know. I took it as 100A. Then the selling price is 133A. Why 133A? Because he's gaining 33% as a profit. Now, we don't know what is market price. I assume market price is 100. And he's given a discount of 5. Then the selling price is 95. Oh, 95 is 133A. Then 100 is what? Then you will get your value of 140A. So your market price is always above the cost price. So 100A to 140A, the difference is 40. So then your answer for the question is what, guys? 40 is the correct answer. Okay. So I hope everybody understood. Let's go to the next question. So if you're done with this, say yes, yes in the live chat. If you want, you can take a screenshot of it. Yeah. YS అవసరం okay, smallest అయినా that would be okay. Sir, where can I practice such topic? That's what I'll tell you all resources where you can practice, these questions at the end of the session. Okay. Don't worry, Harshita. I'll discuss each and every point. The last half an hour. Yeah. Abdul is asking why SP is 133. Okay. Abdul bhai, बोलिए गेन कितना हुआ इधर? गेन कितना हुआ? 33% हुआ ना? Gain is 33%, right? So my cost price is 100. You brought one article for 100 and your cost price is what? 100 and you are getting a profit of 33%. When 33% is 133 only, no? Right. So okay, let's go to the next question. Guys, similar kind of a question, uh, similar kind of a question, please take a screenshot and try after the session. Almost similar question. Yeah. I think you got the, you might have taken the screenshot. So now I'm going to moving to this model is going to repeat it. I'm seeing this Goldman Sachs last 5 years. This model is going to come, you know, definitely for each and every set. With this concept, question is there. Okay, it's not the direct question, but you have to understand the concept. So next 10 minutes is very, very important, guys. Right. So the question is this. The question they were telling is this. What is the highest power of 2 in 100 factorial? So what is the highest power of 2 in 100 factorial? So I am giving 2 minutes time. Let's see who will answer this. Sai Verma. Okay. Mm-hmm. Sai, that's the wrong answer, Sai. I'm so sorry. That's not the correct answer. That is the wrong answer. 99, 97. Mm-hmm. 97. Okay. 97, 97, 97. Okay. Good job, guys. Yeah. Now, yes. People who got 97, they are absolutely right. Guys, now focus on what I am going to talk. Okay. So, what is the highest power of 2 in 100 factorial? Always, when you are learning something, try to understand what I'm going to teach you now. Now, tell me what is 5 factorial value? Okay, I'll teach you 100 factorial later. If you understand this, you will understand. You can do that. What is 5 factorial value? 120. How actually the 5 factorial is going to be? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Correct? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So can I write this as 1 into 2 into 3 into 2 square? Okay, 2 square, 2 square into 5. Yes. Can I write like that? Yeah. Now focus. Can I write the same value as 1 into 3 into 5 into 2 cube? Can I write like this? Now tell me, in 5 factorial, what is the highest power of 2? In 5 factorial, what is the highest power of 2? 3. Yes or no? So the whole agenda is this. They are asking how many 2's will be there in 100 factorial. Yes or no? How many 2's will be there in 100 factorial? Because 5 factorial, everybody know 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. But 100 factorial from 1 to 100, there are so many numbers will be there. Now, this is not the best way to handle the situation, no? Do you think this is the best way to handle the situation, writing 1 into 3 into 5 into no? Now, I am going to teach you like this. Take 5, divide with 2. Take 5, divide with 2. What is the quotient? Take 5, divide with 2. What is the quotient? How many times? 5 will cancel 2. Sorry, 2 will cancel 5. 2 times. So, ignore the remainder. Okay, when you divided 5 with 2, what you got? 2. Okay, Again, you will write a point and you can write 0.5. That's a different story. Ignore the float part. Your focus should be only on integer. Okay. Now, take that 2 and divide with 2. So if you 2 divided by 2, what is the quotient? What is the quotient? 1. So is further 1 is going to divide with 2? No, that's not possible. If this number is, if this number is less than this number, you have to stop your process. If this number is more than this number, you have to continue till you get less than that. So now total is going to be what? The total is going to be what now? 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is what? 3. So you can say in 5 factorial, there are 3 2's are there. So on the same note, now take 100, divide with 2. Please, please quickly type in the live chat. 100 by 2, 50. 50 by 2. 50 divided by 2. That will give you 25. Now 25 divided by 2. 25 divided by 2. That will give you 12. 0.5, ignore 0.5. 12 by 2. 6. 6 by 2. 3. 3 by 2. 3 divided by 2. That will give you 1. Is 1 is going to divide with 2 again? No. Then your answer is what? You have to add everything. 50, 25, 75. And this is 10. Yeah. So if you add it, you will get your answer as what? 97. So what is the highest power of 2 in 100 factorial? 97 is the 100 factorial. Okay. So I hope you understood the method. So now tell me, what is the highest power of 4 in 100 factorial? What is the highest power of 4 in 100 factorial? What is the highest power of 4 in 100 factorial? What is the highest power of 4 in 100 factorial, guys? 32, 48, 32. 32, 48, 32. Okay. Okay. Few people are telling 32. Few people are telling 31, 48. 48. Okay. 48. 32. 32, 48, 32, 48, 32, 48. Now, so now take 100. You might have divided with 4. So what is the quotient? 25? 25. Now 25 divided by 4. 6, 6. Now 6 divided by 4. You will get 1. So 1 further will not divide. So if you add, how much you are getting the total? The total how much you are getting? 32. Okay. And this is a blunder. This is a wrong answer. I know you will do like this. That's what you have to understand. Guys, please understand. You just calculated just force. You didn't calculate 2 2's also a 4. Okay, you missed that. You just calculated only force. Okay, but the combination of 2 into 2 is also 4. You missed that everything. Okay, guys, now your focus should be like this. 2 is a prime number or even number? Sorry, I'm so sorry. That's a bad question I have ever asked. 2 is a prime number or a composite number? 2 is a prime number. 4 is composite number. Do you think 2 is going to have other than 1 and 2? Is there any other factors? Any other factors will be there for 2? No. 4, how many factors are there? 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 4 is also a factor. So now you need to focus on two things here. Whether the number is prime number or not. Okay. Okay, what is the highest power of 2? 2 is a prime number, just divide with 2. Highest power of 3. 3 is a prime number, just divide with 3. Highest power of 5. 5 is a prime number, just divide with 5. 4 is a prime number. 4 is a prime number. No, you should not divide like that. Okay, you should not divide like that. Okay, now what you need to understand here is when it is a power of, when it is, when it is the 4. 4, first convert your composite number into a composite number into convert your composite number into a prime number. So 4 you can write it as what? 4 you can write it as what? 4 you can write it as what? 2 square. 2 square. So now the process should be like this. Just now we calculated in 100 factorial, what is the highest power of 2? 2 should be 2 to the power of 97. Yes or no? 2 to the power of 97. Now, can I write the same thing as like this? 2 into 2 to the power of 96. Can I write like that? 2 to the power of 96. Can I write like that? Yes. Now, so that is nothing but 2 into 2 to the power. Okay. Can I write 2 into something of 96? How can I write that? 48. Is it 48 only? Yes. Is it 48 only? Now you can say that this 2 square, this will give you what? 4. So now you can write that value as 4 to the power of 48. Okay, that you can write it as what? 4 to the power of 48. Ignore this 2. With alone this 2, you can't get any 4. Is there any combination to get 4 apart from 2? 2 into 2 only 4. 2 into something is not going to be a 4. So this 2 will not affect your answer. I hope you guys understood. Okay, I hope you guys understood. So now what is the answer for the question, guys? What is the answer for this question? The answer is going to be what? 48. I know you guys are smart. Now tell me, what is the highest power of 12? What is the highest power of 12 in 100 factorial? What is the highest power of 12 in 100 factorial? I am giving 1 minute. Let's see. Yes, guys. So now focus. Guys, now the highest power of 12 in 100 factorial is the question, right? Now tell me, what is 12 prime? How can we write this thing? 12 is nothing but 4 into 3. Okay. But 4 is again not a prime number. So you can write it as 2 square into 3. 2 square into 3. Okay. 2 square into 3. Right. So now tell me, what is the highest power of 2? Just now we calculated, right? So you can write it as 4 to the power of 48, no? Yes or no? 4 to the power of 48, right? Can I write like this? 4 to the power of 48. Why I am writing 4 to the power of 48? I hope you understood. Now, don't do anything. Definitely threes will be more than fours only. Threes will be more than fours only, no? If you divide 100 with 3, 3 is a prime number. Quickly divide 100 with 3, 33. 33 by 3, 11. 11 by 3 is what? 3. So if you add it, how much you will get? If you have a doubt, you can check it out also. So that should be what? I don't know. Can anyone calculate and tell me what is 3 power? How many threes you are getting? 38 threes? 47 or 48? Oh my God. Don't get confused, guys. Huh. 48 only or 49? Okay. 33, 11, 3. 3 by 3 is also a 1. 48. 3 to the power of 48. Okay, so 4 to the power of 48 and 3 to the power of 48. That will give you what? 12 to the power of 48. So what is the highest power of 12 in 100 factorial? What is the highest power of 12 in 100 factorial? 48. That's what you have to figure it out. Okay, guys, they'll ask you these kind of questions also. Please write this question. Find the find the find the number of zeros. Find the number of zeros at the end of Find the number of zeros at the end of 100 factorial. Find the number of zeros at the end of 100 factorial. Find the number of zeros at the end of 100 factorial. Tell me, find the number of zeros at the end of 5 factorial. What is the answer? Find the number of zeros at the end of 5 factorial. What is the answer? 1, 0. Because 5 factorial value is what? 120. Because that is a small number, you can see that number and you can get your answer. Now my question is what? Find the number of zeros at the end of 100 factorial. 100 factorial is a big number. Now, let's understand science behind this. Suppose you don't have a 5 here in this particular 5 factorial. Suppose, please assume there is no 5. Can you get a 0? Can you get a 0? Okay, relax, guys. Let's understand the concept. Okay, let's understand the concept. 5 factorial is nothing but 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Suppose you don't have a 5. Will you get a 0? No. That's what. Will you get a 0? No. So now tell me, suppose you don't have a 4. Do you think your 0 will be affected? Still you will get a 0, no? Still you will get a 0, right? If you don't have a 2, then you will also not get a 0. So, guys, please, there is a 4, but don't see 4 as a 4. So, can I write my 4 as 2 into 2? Can I write my 4 as what? 2 into 2. So, your 0 will be depend on 5 and a 2, correct? Yeah, okay. You guys are getting your answers, but listen to me. 5 and a 2. So now again ask yourself, 2's will be more or 5's will be more in a 100 factorial. Which number will be more? 2's will be more. So how 5's will be more? 100 by 5. 100 by 5. We got 2's are 97. How many 5's will be there in 100 factorial? 100 by 5. Okay. 20 by 5, 24. That 4 will not divide with 5 again. So your 0 will be depend on which number? That's what the game here. Your 0 will be depend on which number? Your zeros will come because of what? 5 and 2. It's common sense. 2's obviously more than 5's. So your focus should be how many 5's are there. So now what you need to understand, your task is to get how many 5's are there. So now 5 is also 5 is also prime number or a composite number. Prime number means you don't have any issues. Take 100, divide with 5. 100 divided by 5. 20 is a quotient. Take 20, divide with 5. That will give you 4. That will give you what? 4. Is 4 further is going to divide with 5? No. So 20 plus 4 is what? 24. 24 5's are this. The 24 5's will go and attach 24 2's and those will produce zeros, right? Okay. Got it, everybody? Understood? Okay. Guys, that's what, because these models will definitely come in the exams. Highest power are zeros. They might give in a different language, but you have to be very focused. You should know, how they might ask. Okay. They'll ask you instead of highest power, greatest power, they might give you, you have to be focused. Okay. So if you're done with this, say yes in the live chat. We'll go to the next question, guys. Quickly. That's appreciated. So you're learning something, some new things you're learning today? Yes. Great. Yep. Okay. So, yeah. So now tell me, what is the answer? This will come as, your numerical reasoning. Okay. The numerical reasoning part. Okay. Right. Okay. People are getting the answers. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay, guys. So we need a missing number. The numbers are, a lot of people, they might add, they might subtract, but you have to be very focused when you're doing, you have to be little bit logical, little bit smart. Okay. 343 is a 7 cube, 512 is a 8 cube. So the last number is 9 cube. 9 cube is what? What is 9 cube value? 729. 729 means in the question mark, which number will come? 9 will come. Okay. 9 will come. Got it, everybody? You know, for these questions, I can't do anything. That is not because I am not creating the questions, but, but I can help you with something. Okay. Guys, give me a minute. Guys, because number series is very, very important. Okay, number series is very, very important. Yeah, guys, give me a minute. Guys, in the concept of number series, it's very, very important. Okay, please focus. What step one? Okay, observe whether they are familiar numbers in the given series. It might be a prime numbers, it might be a perfect squares, cubes, okay, or powers of a numbers. So this is going to be your step number one. Okay, after this step number one, my advice to everybody, you know just take the difference. That is a different question. Just I am telling number series because number series will come plenty in this particular exam. Calculate the difference between the numbers, observe the pattern in differences. If the difference are growing rapidly, it might be a cube series, square series, multiplication series, okay, and the power series. If the numbers are growing slowly, that you can say it's addition series or subtraction series. Okay, these things, this is like cakewalk for you if you understand like this. Now we are going to solve. No one should write these questions. You just type the answer in the live chat. Okay, what is the answer? What is the answer, guys? These type of questions will not come in the exams. Okay, don't be over excited. ఇట్లాంటివి వస్తాయి మస్తు చేద్దాం అనుకుంటే నడవద్దందా. You will not get questions like this. Okay, these questions are easy questions. You please type your answers quickly. Yeah. కాన్సిక్యూటివ్ నెంబర్స్ ఇట్లాంటి ఇస్తారు అనుకుంటున్నారు ఎగ్జామ్లో. ఇస్తే వాడు అమ్ముకోవాలి కంపెనీ. నెక్స్ట్, వాట్ ఈస్ ఆన్సర్ మా? ఎంతనా ఆన్సర్? 24. ఐ నో మీరు తప్పు చేస్తారని నాకు తెలుసు. 18 లేదుగా మధ్యలో. 18 ఎవరికి ఇద్దాం మరి? 18 ఉందా? ఎందుకు 24 అంటే మామూలు లాజిక్ చెప్పరు మీరు. సార్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఇస్ 2, 2, 2 ఈజ్ అ డిఫరెన్స్, ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్ అని చెప్తారు. మరి 18 మిస్ అయిందిగా. సో ఆచి చూచి అడిగేయాలి. ఆవేశంలో చేస్తారనుకోండి బిస్కెట్ అయిపోతారు. గైస్, అది ఎవడు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయలేదు. 18 ఉందా అక్కడ? డూ వీ హ్యావ్ 18 దేర్? రాంగ్ నెంబర్ సిరీస్ అది. ద సిరీస్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఈస్ రాంగ్. లాస్ట్లో ఒక ఆప్షన్ ఏడుస్తుంది, కెనాట్ బి డిటర్మైండ్ అని. గైస్, ఆర్ యూ గెటింగ్ మై పాయింట్? అబ్జర్వేషన్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫస్ట్. యా, ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఐఎమ్ సారీ, ఆవేశంలో ఆన్సర్ ఇచ్చేసాను. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్కి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. బాగా చెప్పారమ్మా దివ్య. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. 13, 41, 47, 59, 67 డాష్. Chusera? Nobody is giving the answer now because it will take some time. Okay. Divya got it. Mm-hmm. Divya, could you please write the logic there? Okay. Kavya got 71. Yashwant got 81. Divya got the other answer. Jashwant got other answer. Okay. Jahnavi other answer. Shrija other answer. They are getting the same answer. Okay. Right. 85, 81, 73, 79. Okay. Oh, guys, tell me. Uh, why 81? Can anyone please explain me why 81? Did you took the differences? Okay. Asim Meher is telling 71. Okay. Right. Right. Okay. Let's see the answer. Answer is 73. I think one or two got 73. Why 73? How 73? Missing prime number, no? Yes. Correct. Missing prime number. 31, 30. After 31, what is the next prime number? 37 got missed. 41, 43 missed. 47. After 67, what is the next prime number? 71. So 71 missed. So next answer is going to be what? 73 is the answer. Guys, I can give you n number of number series. Okay. But the point to be noted, what you need to understand, next, I am going to tell you where you can practice number series questions, where you can get tough questions. Okay. Where you can get tough questions, that we will see. Okay, ma? So now, guys, now let's go back to our PPT. Let's go back to our PPT. Yeah. Okay. So, right. Guys, this is my next question. These kind of questions you will see in the exam next week or coming week. Itlane unte questions. There is no other way. Right. So 29W, 2145G, question mark. And what is that? 18. So this is what they have given. So what will come in the question mark? What will come in the question mark is the thing now. Okay, what is the answer? So definitely a number will come. So if you figure it out why 21 is here, so that you can get why what will come in the question mark. People who got logic, please write your people who got answer, please write your logic. Yeah, please write your answer. Okay. 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 So Varun is telling like this. So 29 minus 21 plus 15. So 29 minus 21 is how much? 29 minus 21. What is the gap here? 29 minus 21. Gap 8. 8 plus 15 is how much? 8 plus 15 is how much? 23. So W is the 23rd letter. So now I want 7 here. So if I keep which number, you will get a 7 is the thing. G is the 7th letter, no? That's not 8th letter. So first you should go with your place values. So tell me which number is coming, Varun, here. Can you please tell me which number is coming here? 26. Okay, let's see. 15 minus 26 are we taking the difference here? What is the difference here? 11. Okay, 11. So and 89 11. What is the difference? 89 11. What is the difference? Okay, minus 11. Okay. Okay, yeah. 1 minute, guys. Let me write here so that no confusion should be there. Yeah. So let me write here. So what is the logic here? 29. minus 21. Is it 29 minus 21? Please say yes. If I am writing this, please say yes. Okay. What is the value? Okay, I'm so you mean the difference I have to take. It's not like 29 minus that. Or we have to take 29 minus that only. Okay. What is the difference here? 8 is the difference. Okay. Then what I have to do? This 8 is going to be added to 23, is it? Sorry, 15. Okay, so 18 plus 15 is what? 23. So 23rd letter is what? W. All right. So now can you please tell me what's the process here like? So I need this number. So what I have to do? So should I take the difference? Okay, we are guessing the number. Okay, 15 minus what is that? 26. So that will give you minus 11, correct? Huh. So now I need the result should be 7. I need the result should be 7. So that minus 11, minus 11, minus 11 plus 18. So minus 11 plus 18 will give you 7. So the seventh letter is what? G. Seventh letter is what, guys? G is the answer. Okay. So I don't want to waste much time here. Let's go to the next question. Guys, I'll ask you what is the answer. At the time only, please tell your answer. Okay. Nenu adutanu. Guys, this you have to count number of triangles. Okay. Na? Outer line nunchi vachi try to calculate number of triangles. How many will be there? Take a screenshot and try later. Take screenshot and try later. So I'm just moving to the next question. Yeah. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next question. So what is the answer? I'll ask. Don't get excited. I'll ask. At that time, please type your answer in the live chat. I'll ask. Relax. You guys relax. Which number will replace the question mark? So to complete the series. Okay, I'll wait for 1 minute, then I'll ask ma. Right. Can you please type your answer if you got it? Okay, Yashwant got, Varun got, Varshini got. Okay, right. So could you please tell me the logic, guys? What is the logic of this question? Okay, somebody is writing. Okay, 5 into 1 minus 1. Okay, 5 into 1 minus 1 is what? 4. So how about next? 4 should be multiplied with 2 and minus 1. Okay, so that will give you a 7. So now 7 should be multiplied with what? 3, and that is minus 1. So that will give you your 20. So on the same note, the 20 should be multiplied with it's increasing 4 and minus 1. So answer for the question is what, guys? 79. So into 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 1 is the answer. Next question. So this called here, abstract reasoning and diagrammatic reasoning. Which option is right? So I'll ask. Don't be judgmental. I'll ask. Hang on for a minute. A set of problem figure and answer figure are given below. In problem figure, the images are related in the same way. So choose the correct figure from the answer figure to complete the series. Okay. So what's happening here and what's happening here, from here to here, what's gonna happen. Okay. So you have to complete the series. What is the answer? Yeah. So if you're ready with your answer, please type your answer in the live chat quickly. Okay. 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 Right. Right. Great job, guys. Everybody is giving the same answer. First 1 star and inside 2 stars added. Next 3 stars added outside. So now 4 stars should be added inside. Okay. So first one is not your answer. So it may be second one. It may be third one. It may be fourth one. But in the second one, why B is not right? That is important. Why B is not right? The size of star, or why B is not right? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Attach it to the sixth side. Yes. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. So it's kind of a paper folding. Okay. So if you fold your paper like this, next like this, next like this, if you have given, I'm sorry, if you have given a hole there, when you open that particular paper folding, the cut was here. Okay, the cut was here. Okay, the cut was here. Then imagine you're opening one side, you're opening this side. So which option is going to be right? Okay, which option is going to be right? First option or third option? Okay, please, please open how they have folded. Okay, so please open this. When you opened this, okay, when you open this, what will happen? Yeah, is this corner is going to be cut or not? Is this corner is going to be a corner is going to be cut? No. So they have a punched here and they have a punched here, so the corner will go right. When corner is going, okay, when corner is going, so this is not your answer and this is not your answer. It may be this or this, but in the middle you will get a circle like this. So I think according to me also, I think it's answer B. Sorry, third option is the correct answer. Okay, third option is the correct answer. Guys, you will have questions like this also. So can anyone please, I'll ask, just give a try. What is the answer for this? Because we are running out of time. We have only half an hour time. I have to finish couple of questions and I have to give some tips. Okay. Yeah. So guys, WiseCoder, it's a new platform, you know, the coding platform, and so please visit that and try to attend demos whenever you have. Okay. If you want to get placed for good highest packages, don't because if you want quality, obviously quality should be there. Okay. uh, so my advice to everybody, just think about it and try to if you want, you can enroll for the course also. Okay. Why to enroll? You have all the educators, and the instructors they were very really good at coding and stuff. Okay. Yeah. So proven thing is there, just think about it and try to get the things done. Right, guys? Anyone got the answer? Please type your answer in the live chat. That's appreciated, guys. Good job. Divya, Srija, Varun. Good job, guys. You guys are right. Answer for the question is 3. Why 3? Because yes. The name of the platform is WiseCoder, okay? WiseCoder. That's what you have registered, right? Yeah. Yeah, I'll give that at the end. Okay. 5 fours are 20. 5 into 4 is 20. 10 into 2 into 1 is also 20. So this part is again different. X is a 24th letter, okay? 12, 2 is a 24. 8, how much? 8 should be multiplied with what? So that you will get your X value. 8 should be multiplied with 3. So the question mark will give you what? 3 as your answer. Okay, the question mark will give you 3 as your answer. Okay. Now next. What is the answer for this, guys? I'll hang on for a minute. Just try. I'll give only 30 seconds. I'm just watching the timer. Let's see. Okay. If you got your answer, please type your answer in the live chat. If you got your answer, type your answer in the live chat. Okay, okay. Vardhan got, Divya got, Kavya got, Chaudhary got. Okay, guys. Very good. You guys are right. What is D place value? D place value 4. W place value? W place value. Okay. It's not 4 from the last. Tell me the place value. 23. 23 plus 4? 23 plus 4? 27. Guys, always remember, write down a point in the notebook. When sum of two letters is 27, those letters are opposite letters. When sum of two letters is 27, those letters are opposite letters. When sum of two letters are 27, those are opposite letters. Now tell me, what is J place value? 10. What is Q place value? 17. 17 plus 10 is what? 27. So now S place value is 19. So 27 minus 19 is how much? What is 27 minus 19, ma? 27 minus, so that will give you S place value is what? Sorry, 8. 8 is which letter? H. Okay. Yeah. What is the answer for this? So we have to figure out what will come in the question mark. What will come in the question mark? Okay. Varun got one answer. Okay, if you got your answer, you can post your answer in the live chat, guys. Come on. Next, just 15, just 15, 20 minutes. I'll let you go. Okay. Be patient. Right. Okay. Yeah. So 8 3 is a 24. 4 square is 16. 24 minus 16 is 8. 7 5 is a 35. 3 3 is a 9. 35 minus 9 is 26. Can you please confirm that in the live chat? 35 minus 9 is 26. Okay. So on the same note, so our answer is going to be what? So our answer is going to be uh, 60 minus 49. What is 60 minus 49, guys? I'm sorry. 60 minus 49. 60 minus 49 is what? 11. Okay. 60 minus 49 is what, guys? 11 is the answer. Next question. Hang on. I'll ask your answer. Hang on. Yeah. What is the answer? Okay. What is the answer already, Vardhan? Yeah. Okay, he's telling answer is P. How about others? Vardhan, write your logic. Yes, guys. What is the answer? Okay, F, G, P. Mm-hmm. F, G, P. Okay. Yes, guys. What is the answer? C, G, F. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. There are so many answers are coming up. So V place value is 22, M place value is 13. How we are getting 18 is the point. Oh, difference minus into 2, difference into 2. Okay. 22 minus 13 is how much? 9. Is 22 minus 13 is 9? Yes. Come on, guys. Okay, relax. Okay. So 13 and 9. What is the difference here? 4. So 4 to is 8. So I want 6. So I need a difference of 12. Sorry, I need a difference of 3. So if I want 3, I is ninth letter. So 9 and this is what? L, right? What is L place value? L place value is what? 12. So 12 and this is 1. So, sorry, I am telling 1, I. So the difference is 3. What is 3 to the what? 6. Okay. So answer is what, guys? Final answer is what? Everybody in the live chat. What is the answer? Answer is F or L. We have to take a smaller number. Okay. Alphabets in a decreasing order, right? We have to take F. F, guys. It's not L. L is also 12, but we will get a negative number, no? F is the correct answer. Okay. F is the correct answer. So what is the answer for this question, guys? What is the answer for this question? So what will come in the question mark? So quickly figure it out. If anybody got the answer, just post your answer in the live chat with the logic. Write your logic. Everything should be in one message. Write the logic, guys. Anybody got it? What is the answer? – 26. Okay, Varun, please write your logic there. Okay, sum of all divide by 2. Okay. 16 plus 8, 24. 24 and a 10. Is it 34? 34 by 2 is 17. Okay, let's check with this. 14 double 28. Is the sum is giving you 28? 14. Okay, this is 14 and this is 9 and this is 5. So 7 and 7, 14. 14 and this is also 14. 28. 28 divided by 2 is what? 14, correct. So how about this here? What is the sum you got? Is sum 52? So 52 by 2 is what? 26 is the answer. Okay. So guys, take this screenshot and you can do it later. I want you to cover a couple of few questions I want you to cover. Yeah, take screenshot and try later. Okay. Okay, done with the screenshot, guys? Right. Take the screenshot quickly. Don't delete this after the session, okay? Don't delete those pictures. After the exam, you can delete. You can clean your phone. Yeah. Right. I want you to solve this question. I'm giving 2 minutes. Let's see who will get the answer. In a chess tournament, each of six players will uh, play every other player exactly once. So total how many games is going to happen in the tournament? How many matches will be played during the tournament? What is the answer, guys? In a chess tournament, each of six players will play play with every other player exactly once. So how many matches will be played during the tournament? That is the question. Okay, 7, 20, 21. Mm-hmm. 7, 20, 21. Guys, just be there for next 10 minutes. Yeah. Okay. Guys, tell me. Please understand the logic behind this particular question. Okay. Guys, tell me. Uh, there are total how many players are there? There are total how many players are there? Six players. So let's take A. A is the first person. He will play with every other person, no? He will play with every other person. Yes or no? So now tell me, relax. Now tell me how many matches A will play. I am assuming he's the first guy. He will play how many matches? Five matches. Five matches, right? Now, now the turn for the next second candidate. Okay, we are figuring out total how many matches they have played. Okay, so now tell me the second person, I mean, whoever the person is there, that person will play because already A and B matches I have counted here. Now B played already with A. So now tell me how many matches the second person will play more. That's a word I am using, more. That is important because already he played with A. So now this person will play four more games. Now the next person will play because already he played with this guy and he also played with this guy. So now with other people only he'll play. So the next person will play three games and the next person will play two games. Okay. And total how many were there? Next person will play what? One game only, no? Because who is the next person? The last person is what? F. Okay. Relax. Relax. Guys, in between, it's a plus symbol or a multiplication symbol. Plus, it's not multiplication. Five games, four games, three games, two games, and one game. Why you are multiplying? Because A will play five games with B, C, D, and E. B already played with A, so he will play with C, D, and E. C already played with these people, so he will play with D and E. So D will play with, E and F. E will play with F. There is only one game. So you have to take all these numbers sum. It's not multiplication. 120 will be there. So don't be in a trap and don't end up. Nana, if you closely observe, this is sum of a natural numbers only, no? When there is 6, just calculate 1 less than that. So that is nothing but sum of a natural numbers, 1 less than this. So 5 numbers, 5 numbers, natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2. So 5 into 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 3. What is the sum? What is the total value you are getting? What is the value? Enta sum enta total? 15. That's your answer. Okay, that's your answer. Guys, thanks for being in the session. A lot of people who are there from beginning to ending. That's appreciated. Okay. So I have given, a lot of inputs. Okay. So any questions you have, I can answer you in the next 15 minutes time. Yeah. So at what time we have started? What's the time now? Yeah, we have 15 minutes time. Yes, we have 15 minutes time. So any questions you have, you can ask me. So question, yeah. Yeah, Varun, just mail me. I'll do it. Okay. You just mail me. I'll do it. Okay. Okay, Varun. Yep. So guys, any questions from the people, guys, we are, WiseCoders. Okay. We are WiseCoders, we are in this industry for, couple of long back, we were training, so many different colleges. Okay. Now we thought of training, online. Okay. So yeah. So I can't provide you the link to practice, but I can tell you, you know, Career Ride is one good website. Career Ride is one good website. And Indian Bix, Career Ride, Indian Bix. Okay. So go there and practice your aptitude questions there. Okay. If you want me to suggest you a book, please go to, you can download Arun Sharma Cat book. Arun Sharma Cat book. If you are a beginner, you can start with, R.S. Agarwal book. Okay. So that you can start. Guys, for number series questions, because you'll get a lot of number series questions. So type in the Google SBI last year, okay, number series questions. It will give you so many number series with different tricks and turns. So you will get it from there. Okay. So if you have any doubts on any question, you can mail me surya.suntech@gmail.com. You can mail me. You will get your answers there. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. So Mamata, I hope I have answered. Sai Verma, I have answered your questions. So any other questions from your end, guys? Any other questions? So how was the session? Like it's you understood couple of things. Yeah, you understood couple of things. So how was the session? How it went? Yeah. So I hope you guys understood. Yeah. Yeah, Varun. Okay. So yeah, if we have time, I would have discussed a number of questions. Okay. Yeah. So guys, please, last 5 minutes, this might be your first exams of your after your MSET, you are writing a competitive exam again. So this, you might have done your lot of entertainment stuff in the last 3 years, maybe last 2 years. You just started your third semester. So my advice to everybody who are in the session is this, just focus next couple of months. Just focus on your, the coding part and apti part. because any exam you take, these two areas is very, very important. Okay. So if you're very good with coding, if you're not good with aptitude, that's not a good sign. I can definitely tell if you're good with aptitude, use your these logics and tricks to optimize your solutions in coding. That you can do it. You just trust me. Just go practice every day 10 logical questions and just do coding. You will think in that logical area, and you trust me, the way you are thinking is definitely is going to be changed. I can't say completely, but a little bit, that I can guarantee you. Okay. So my advice to everybody, please make sure that give your 100%. Okay, in your exam. Next 10 days, leave everything, just focus on your Goldman Sachs exam. And the good part is this: if you get selected, the stipend itself is 1 lakh. When you are in the third year, you will start earning. By the end of the third year, you will get paid around 12 lakhs. Okay. At the end of fourth year or third year, whatever the how many months they are giving your internship. So half of your fees also will get done. So at what time the coding test of atlassian is conducted? So I think maybe you have a session, I guess. Maybe you have a session, I guess. You have a session webinar at 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. today. Yeah. Yeah, Atlassian 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Today you have a class, or yeah, with Anshuman you have a class. Is there any courses of yours where I can learn aptitude from you? I think we have not yet planned, so we'll see. You just pin me in the LinkedIn, or our team will get back to you. Okay. Yeah. So let's see that we can actually, we are planning for this placement series. Okay. If there are good number of students, we thought of planning that as well. We'll definitely we are planning for a placement series for aptitude. So any feedback from your end, how the session went? It's good, bad, okay, you learned something? Yeah, because this not a if it is a like question to answer thing, it's an explanation of question is different from explaining a concept. Okay. So there are two different things. So I hope I don't waste your time. You learned something from this particular session. Yeah. So any more questions? Okay. Informative and useful session is really good. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. So I hope I'll see you soon. Maybe our team will plan one course of aptitude. Okay. Okay. Yep. So thanks for your feedback. So all the very best for your the company specific exams. Focus next 1 year. You have time. So if you focus this 1 year, next you no need to focus the other areas. Obviously, you'll get selected in good companies. Your story will be different. లేదు ఇప్పుడు చదవనంటే మళ్ళీ కష్టాలు మొదలవుతాయి. నా మాట విని చదవండి. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ 1 year కొంచెం జాగ్రత్త కోడింగ్ పైన, యువర్ యాప్టిట్యూడ్ పైన ఇఫ్ యూ ఫోకస్. గైస్, the point is this. I used to tell to my students this. Consistency is the key. ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పగానే ఆవేశంగా వెళ్ళి చదివేస్తారు ఈరోజు. అది రేపు మళ్ళీ బస్ ఎక్కగానే సాంగ్స్ వింటూ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ రీల్స్ చూసుకుంటూ కూర్చుంటారు. ఓకేనా? యా. సో నేనేమంటున్నానంటే, చూడొచ్చు ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ రీల్స్. ఒకసారి కంపెనీలో ప్లేస్ అయితే రోజు చూడొచ్చు. రోజు ఆఫీస్కి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు యూ కెన్ వాచ్ సో మెనీ రీల్స్. సో అది రీల్స్ అయితే అయిపోవు, టైం అయిపోతుంది ఫాస్ట్గా. సో అదే మన డ్రీమ్ ఎట్లా ఉండాలంటే, ఆ రీల్స్ వచ్చే కంపెనీలో వర్క్ చేసేలాగా ఉండాలి డ్రీమ్. సో ఐ హ్యావ్ టు గెట్ ప్లేస్ ఫర్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్, మెటాకి వర్క్ చేయాలి. సో దట్స్ హ్యావ్ టు బి యువర్ గోల్స్. గైస్, ద పాయింట్ ఇస్ దిస్, ఐ డోంట్ నో, if you really focused, యూ విల్ గెట్ ఇట్ గైస్. మీరు ఇంటర్మీడియట్లో చదివినట్టు ఒక్క 10 రోజులు చదివితే మీకు కోడింగ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. బట్ యూ డోంట్ స్టడీ, దట్స్ వేర్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్. హ్యావ్ యూ ఎవర్ స్టడీడ్ ఇన్ లాస్ట్ 3 years? యూ జస్ట్ టెల్ మీ. ఇప్పుడు ఆల్మోస్ట్ 50 ఉన్నారా క్లాస్లో? యా, దేర్ ఆర్ 44 members. సో యూ టెల్ మీ, ద last 3 years, last 2 years, have you ever studied like how you studied in intermediate? Not even 50%. You just read just before the exam. You just imagine if you prepare coding, coding aptitude like your MSET, like your IIT JEE, you trust me, you can do wonders. You just trust yourself, you can do wonders. But you don't do that. నేను ఎంత చెప్పినా కూడా ఈ 44లో 10 మంది కూడా చేయరు. ఆ 10 మంది ఎవరైతే చేస్తారో దే విల్ బీ ఇన్ ఏ గుడ్ కంపెనీస్. they'll pin me in LinkedIn. I got placed in this company बोल के. Okay, so guys, so you just focus 50%, you will get in good companies. Yeah, consistency is the key. So if you do consistently for the next 1 year, you trust me, your coding skills is going to be in a next level thing. You can have your own stuff, that's a different story. But if you got placed in good company, your parents will happy, you happy, your friends will be happy. So make sure that focus, okay? Make sure that your focus should be there, so that everything will be in place. Okay, guys. So that's all my time today, guys. I am Surya signing off. Thank you, everybody. So I'll be wait for next 5 minutes. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Thank you so much for being in the session. So go visit our website, wisecoder.in. You can see the courses over there. You can find the courses. If you really want to get placed for product based companies, we are the one complete solution. Okay, so make sure that visit that. And yeah, if you want quality will not come free. That's a different story. Sir, can you take some more sessions before exam? Varun will try. I'll try to talk to the team, and will yeah, sure. I'll try to talk to the team, and we'll definitely get back to you guys. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. See you soon. All the very best. Okay. Yeah. Take care, guys. Take care, and be safe. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. See you. See you. So I'm just leaving. Any questions? So should I go? I'm hungry. I have to eat now. It's 1 in the night. Yeah, 1:30. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm just leaving. Yes, I'm just waiting for any questions. No? Great.